Hi there, little explorers. Welcome to Beauty of Science. I'm so glad you're here because today we are going to solve a massive mystery. Have you ever woken up and thought, wait, why was I riding a giant flying cat in my sleep? Ha ha, yes, I'm talking about dreams. Why does our brain make these crazy stories? Let's dive in. Now, you might think that when you go to sleep, your brain turns off like a TV. But nope, your brain actually stays very busy. Think of your brain like a super fast librarian. While your body is resting, the librarian is running around, organizing all the things you learned, saw, and felt during the day. It decides what to keep in your memory and what to throw away. And sometimes, while it's moving those memories around, they get a little mixed up. That says REM sleep. Most of our dreaming happens during a special stage called REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During REM, your eyes move quickly behind your lids, and your brain becomes as active as if you were wide awake. This is when the brain movie starts. Because your brain is sorting through so much information, it creates these wild, colorful stories we call dreams. It's like your own private cinema. But why do we need them? Well, scientists believe dreams help us in three big ways. 1. Learning. They help us remember the cool facts we learned at school. 2. Feelings. They help us process emotions like being happy or a little worried. 3. Practice. They let our brain practice different situations in a safe way. Because your brain is sorting through so much information, it creates these wild, colorful stories we call dreams. It's like your own private cinema. So the next time you have a weird dream, just remember, it's just your amazing brain doing its job. Thanks for watching Beauty of Science. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so we can explore more mysteries together. So, sweet dreams, scientists!